Today we're working on adding 2-digit by 1-digit numbers. Students are learning to stack them using their place value knowledge. For example, 25 goes on the top, 25, and we put it underneath our columns, and our 3, ensuring that that is just a 3, stays in our ones column. Today we were really focusing on making sure they were aligned. What students are to do next is to take their 25 and to show it in base 10 blocks. For example, we represent a group of 10 with a line. So 20, and then we have our dots, which is 5. 25. We're going to now go to our next number. We need to represent this number, and that's a 3. So I'm going to represent 3. Now we were emphasizing to start with our ones place value first, adding them up. 5 plus 3. Now for some students, they can do that automatically. For others, I want them to start thinking about the larger number and adding on. Some of them will want to start and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we want them to recognize that this is 5 and we're just going to add on to it. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to put our answer underneath the ones column because we're adding up our ones column. Now, how many 10s do we have? We have 2 groups of 10. We're not adding anything to it, so it stays 2. So our final answer is 28. I'm going to be sending a sheet like this home. And so what you're going to do at home is make sure that you are practicing with the ones staying under, like 9 and under, where the sum of the ones doesn't go more than 9, because once we get into regrouping, we'll do that. But right now we want it to be kind of simpler for them to just learn the process and keeping our place values stacked.